In our last video, David contacted Deserving Desirable Credit. He set his appointment for Monday at 10:30 a.m. This is the conversation he had with his friends after the experience was over. David said, "Great morning. Do you all remember the other day when I went to the car dealership?" Everyone nodded. "Well, I was denied again. That was my sixth denial. I blew my top. Man, I was pissed. Fortunately, a car salesman named Richard gave me some great advice. He told me to go to Deserving Desirable Credit. Their website is deservingdcredit.com. It was so easy. You should do it too. I'm going to tell you how to do it right now. Just click on your web browser. In the search bar, type up Deserving Desirable Credit. After you hit the search button, move down to the website that says deservingdcredit.com. Once you get to their homepage, scroll down to the bottom where you will see some questions and answers. Unlike most credit repair companies, they were licensed and bonded. Just look at the many certificates they had. In my opinion, anyone that's serious about following the law is worthy of my business. I also found out they would not charge you a penny until all the work was done and you saw the results on your reports. Even though they are not a credit repair company anymore, I trust their knowledge and experience. Now, move back up to the top. Press the Make an Appointment button. That's going to send you over to the Calendly page. Go to the calendar and select the best day for you. Then select the best time. The initial meeting will be about 45 minutes. Hit the Next button. In the Enter Details section, type in your first name, last name, and your email address. On the location part, choose Google Meet for a video call. Choose Colleen for a personal visit to your home. Or choose Phone for an audio call only. If you select Google Meet or Colleen, drop down to the address part and enter your information. Should you choose Colleen, which is a personal visit to your home, you will have to pay a $52.99 fee. Please make sure your location is safe for their tutors. If you choose Phone, enter your phone number in the drop-down box. Once you complete everything, go ahead and press the Schedule Event button. You will receive an email notification and QR payment code confirming your appointment. Make sure that you double check the information you entered, like the proper address, phone number, etc. Now, see how easy that is. Very simple. Everyone nodded and toasted to improving their credit.